Hey YouTube, just a quick video on how to program your Genie 3 button. I've already programmed the that garage door opener there and assigned the button number 1, but I'm gonna do button number 2 and I'll show you how. Hang tight. Open it up, and I'm gonna jumble it up later on, but for the sake of this video, take a photo of it. Match it with this thing right here. I went ahead and copied it. And let me focus on to right here. If you look at right here, that's letter R. It's under Run when I program the Garage Opener 1 button right here. Now I'm moving on to 2. So in order for me to do that, you need to toggle this switch right here to S, as in set. Now it's set. Let me back up a little bit. Press the 2 button so it could learn. Let go. Now put this back to R. Come on. There you go. And if all the setting is good, I gotta press this and it should open it up. Perfect. Doesn't matter the pin switch setting. Once it learns it, you could jumble this up and it would not affect button number 1, 2, or 3. So it's good to go. See, watch this. I'm gonna go ahead and jumble it up and it won't matter. It already learned it and it's good to go. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. I'll chat with you guys later. Bye for now.